This is Radio TV Phono Nut, and here we have a 19-inch Magnavox TV that I just picked up out of the garbage down the street. Actually remember when this TV was in use, the lady that lived down there passed away, and then her son moved into the house, and then he passed away, and they've been cleaning it out, and I noticed this on the street. Now, I basically have no use for it, but I said, what the heck, I'll grab it and play with it. That'll be better than the kids in the neighborhood throwing a brick through the screen. Now, this is not your Magnavox, your classic Magnavox TV from years gone by. This is your typical end of the CRT era, made in China piece of crap from 2005. Actually, I don't know when the end of the CRT era was, but I've seen some as recent as 2009 or 10, but nothing any newer than that. Alright, let's get it in here and plug it up. If it works, or if we can get it working easy, I'll just dump it off at the flea market. They claim they can still sell them, but I don't know how. I gave up on trying to get rid of these kind of TVs years ago, when I couldn't get $10 for a 32-inch Sanyo with a remote. That's when I knew it was time to hang it up. And it's funny how things have changed over the years. Back in the early 90s, I could sell any kind of working TV that I could get my hands on. It didn't matter if it was a tube type or black and white or what it was, I could get rid of it. Now, if it's not a fairly new smart TV, they don't want it. And TV shops are basically non-existent anymore. I only know of one that's in operation, and all he does is warranty work. And I suspect that's going to get to the point where there's not even going to be any warranty repairs. When a piece of consumer electronics fails under warranty, they'll either just give you store credit or a refund, or we'll swap the item for a new one. Alright, let's get it in here and see what happens. Alright, here we go. And I feel high voltage. Picture tube looks very weak. We're definitely missing a color, and off it goes. Now, my theory on what's happening is a lot of the newer CRT televisions have a beam current detection circuitry, and if the circuit detects too much or too little beam current, it will shut the TV down, and that could very well be what's happening here. And I'm going to go dig up the CRT tester and just see what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure the tube is bad in this. That would be the most likely suspect. Okay, red, no shorts, set cutoff. Okay, that's good. Now read emission. The red gun is good. Alright, green gun. And the green gun won't even come up to cutoff. So yeah, that gun's weak. Thought it would be. Alright, let's check the blue. Okay, 11. That's where it needs to be set for that. No shorts, no shorts. Blue cutoff, emission good. So our green gun is dead. Well, I goofed up. I thought I was recording, and I wasn't recording. So I missed the part where I rejuvenated the green gun. The green gun now checks very good. And let's do a life test. Successful rejuvenation, or one that will last a reasonable amount of time, will stay up in the green. If it shoots back into the red in short order, then this is not going to hold up long. So it's staying up in the green, so this thing might actually hold up a little while. And the way I usually rejuvenate this is I set it to auto restore, then you hold this button down for three cycles on the meter, and then you release it and go back to set cutoff, set your cutoff, and read the emission, and then see how you did from there. Alright, let's see what happens. This may arc and pop, as they sometimes do after rejuvenation. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now, will it stay on now? That's the question we want to ask ourselves. Yeah, it's staying on. Let's go get a converter box and see what it looks like. I will tell you this, these CR70 Syncor testers, they're a good unit. If you can find one and plan on doing TV repair, then you probably need to grab one. I found this one at the local flea market for 20 or 25 bucks. So needless to say, I grabbed it in short order. But I can say, you know, if you can find a good used one for, say, under 150 bucks, you probably should grab it, because these do a good job at rejuvenating picture tubes, and they'll check a wide variety of tubes. The only thing I don't like about these is they don't come with a dedicated adapter for the older large neck black and white tubes like was used in the 50s and late 40s. There's a universal clip lead adapter for that. I guess I got spoiled to my old B&K tester that had the dedicated adapter for those types of tubes, but that's okay. I still have that tester too, so that's no big thing.
I'm very sorry.
Alright, there you go. That looks real nice.
And I'm very sorry that you've...
I've only got a piece of wire connected for an antenna. Let's see if we can get anything else.
Be on his best behavior. You're staring. Stomach cancer or colorectal cancer.
You're in luck. Log on to twinstates.news
There's the joys of digital when you have a weak signal. Just a pixelated, unwatchable mess. But that's okay. All we need to know is that the TV's working.
And you know it. Harry, do you know where he is right now? My brother's birthday's day after.
Alright, well, I'll just dump this off at the flea market next time I go. We had a little fun with it.